Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make delicious ginger garlic chicken. It is one of my favorite family dinners. I make this dish every weekend. You know why? Because it's very easy to make. So let's get started. I'm using chicken legs because they stay really nice and juicy in this recipe. First, I remove the skin of the chicken because I like the dark texture of the meat. And in general, the meat does not dry out easily. So I'll go ahead and cut the skin off right to the bone like that. Yes. And with a sharp knife, I'm going to cut open the leg to remove the bone. And I'm going to transfer the chicken into a large bowl so I can start seasoning. And I'm using 3 cloves of minced garlic, and I like to incorporate some scallion in my chicken when I season. Cutting the scallion roughly is just to bring up more flavor into the chicken. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of celery salt, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. And I'm gonna use my hand to combine all the spices so the chicken can be well coated. You really want your chicken to be well seasoned and well coated, like so. So I'm gonna set the chicken aside for like 30 minutes to an hour while I prepare the garlic sauce. And so to prepare the garlic sauce, we're gonna need like 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. I also use 3 tablespoons of sweet and sour sauce. And I'm gonna add some honey, 3 tablespoons of honey. And I'm also gonna add some water. And with a spatula, we're gonna combine all the liquid very well. Uh, the sweet sour sauce and the honey. Just make sure everything is well mixed. Then on medium heat, we're gonna drizzle some oil because we're gonna start saute the chicken. Add them one by one and then let them cook 3 minutes per side. And it's well caramelized. And I'm gonna flip the other side to allow the other pieces to cook. Oh my God, the chicken smells so good. I wish you could be here with me to enjoy this moment. And let me know which country you're watching my video from. I appreciate that, and make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any future recipes. I'm going to remove the first batch of the chicken and make sure you repeat the same process for the remaining of the chicken. So I'm going to transfer all the chicken into a cleaner pot to finish the cooking. And I'm going to pour the garlic sauce that I prepared earlier over the chicken. And then we're going to let it simmer for another 6 good minutes. on high heat until the sauce thickens. So you can stir the chicken on occasion so to prevent any sticking. You don't need your chicken to stick. So the chick and so the chicken is almost ready. This is the consistency that you want, and the sauce is thickened very beautifully. Let's take a peek at the sauce. And the sauce is ready. It's really thick. And this is what the consistency that you want. The chicken is ready, ready to serve.